Pollen is a powdery substance, as I have told you earlier, and it is present at the center of the flower. When we touch the center of the flower, it sticks on our finger. In the same way, these pollen stick on the wings of bees when they sit on the flower. Bees help in spreading these pollen. That is why they are called excellent pollinators. Pollinators means animals or things that help in pollination. We should be thankful to bees as they help to grow many plants and seedlings, sprouts. Sprouts means seedlings in the surrounding area. Now writer Navneeta is asking how pollen stick to bees' feet. Do you have the answer, children? The answer is in the next paragraph. When bees sit on a flower to suck honey, the grains of pollen stick to their feet and bodies. Then when the same bees buzz near a flower and perform a lively dance, the quivering shakes the pollen off on other flowers. When bees sit on one flower to suck honey, when they sit on one flower, the pollen stick on their body and feet, and when they move to another flower and perform lively dance, lively means energetic, when they sit on another flower with great energy, they flap their wings and quivering shakes. Quivering shakes means they shake their body very fast as they are performing dance. The pollen that are stick on their body drop off or fall off on other flower. After that, they move to another flower and drop off pollens. This process continues. Bees are called buzzing godfathers. Godfathers are people who help in developing something. So bees help in growing new plants not only nearby but also far away from the parent tree. Now next paragraph. Can you hear your own breath? Usually not, but you can hear a bee breathing. That is because the buzz is also the sound of the bee breathing. It has a small segmented body, so when it breathes, the air gets on a roller coaster ride through all those bumpy parts inside and creates a buzz. Here the writer is asking, can you hear your breathing? Usually not. Usually means normally we cannot hear our breathing. But when we run very fast, after that we can hear our breathing sound. Children, this buzz sound is also the breathing sound of bees. How can we say this? Let's see the picture of bees. You can see the body of bee is divided into small parts. Segmented body means body that is divided into different parts. All the parts you can see are circular and uneven. Bees breathe the air inside, and when they get the air inside, their bumpy body, bumpy means uneven body, it moves inside its bumpy body like roller coaster. Children, you might have experienced roller coaster ride in your life. Roller coaster is a kind of swing. So the air moves inside like roller coaster and creates buzz sound. Now the last two lines sounds pretty exciting, doesn't it? Aren't those busy bees truly amazing? So it's very exciting, isn't it? It's very informative. The tiny bees are truly amazing creatures who help mankind. I hope you all understood and enjoyed the chapter. Read the chapter twice. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.